Next we are having embedding models. What exactly the embedding model is? So embedding model allows us to convert the text into a vectors, which is a numerical representation of text. So you are going to feed the text, the embedding model will convert this into a vectors, which is a numerical representation of text. So in the embedding model we have a dimension. What exactly the dimension is? So dimension is like a feature. For example, you are taking my name Sam. So Sam is a human being, his gender is male. Those all are the features. So those two features you will consider it as a dimension. So next we are having a token. So tokens are the basically unit of text that model process. So token can be word, character, or even a phrases depending on how the text is tokenized. Now we will see that how to access those embedding model. So those embedding models you can access from the Huggingface. Huggingface is a platform which will provide several things like a data set, large language model, text to image to image model, and embedding model also. It provides you the space as well as to upload your model over there, and you can run your model also. So first we will see that how to use the embedding model from the Huggingface. Let's open the Huggingface. I will show you how to do that. So go to your web browser, type the huggingface.com, and over there you will get, this is the web page you are getting, Huggingface home page. In the left hand side you will get your profile, inbox settings, so many things, and on the upper side you are able to have a models, dataset, spaces, post, docs, solution, and pricing. On the model section you will be able to access the all models like a large language model, text to image models, or embedding model. Here we are having a data set. You can access the several data set from there. This is the space part where upload your large language model, and you can run the project in this Huggingface space. First I will going to show you that how to create an API key. To do that you can directly go to the setting from here, or you can click on this icon and just go to the setting, and then you can click on this access token. Just click on the create new token. Here you just need to type the token name, the what purpose you are wanted to, if you wanted to for a read or write, then if you wanted for a both thing, then just click on this read and write, and then just create the token. So this will going to create the Huggingface token for you. So first we will see the models over here. Main thing, we have come here for a embedding model, but I will going to show you the large language model as well as plus text to image plus image to text model. After clicking on the models, we are able to see that the task over here. Here we have a multi-model like text to text plus image to text also model we are having, and here we have a related to the computer vision task. That's the separate part of the computer vision. I will try to cover this one in future. So here we are having a natural language processing task like text classification, token classification. If you any task you wanted to perform like a summarization, if you will click on it, here you will get the models related to the particular task. And here we are having audio, like if you wanted to convert from text to speech, that also you can do, audio to text, text to audio, all those things you will be able to do with the help of this task. Here we are having a tabular, reinforcement learning, and other one. Now we just need a embedding model. So to have that, first we will go to the embedding leaderboard. So this is the leaderboard of all embedding models. Over here you can find out the all the details, whatever task you are doing. According to your task you can select your embedding models. On rank 1 we are able to see that BGEEN ICL model, which have a 7111 million parameters, and its size is around 26 GB. So it has a 4096 dimension, means the feature. The max tokens limit is a 32,000. Only these much of tokens you will be able to provide. So based on your needs or your problem you are trying to solve, you can choose any model. For example, if you're looking for a BGE one, just click on it and it will going to take you to the Huggingface where the model it is given. The code is also given over here. You just have to git clone this one. So based on this code you will be able to encode your text to vectors Based on your requirement, you can choose your embedding model from there. So we have seen the Hugging Face, we have seen the how to access the embedding model from the Hugging Face. So you can get from the sentence transformer library also. You just need to type the pip install new sentence transformer, and you can give the models which are present in this sentence transformer, and this will going to load the that particular embedding model, and you will be able to convert your text to the vectors with the help of those embedding models. Next we have a ollama embedding model. I have shown you that how to download the ollama locally. In that models you will also going to find the embedding model, and you can load that embedding model from that ollama and run the embedding model locally.